I gotta try and triple pass the spiders. Hold on. I think we got tarantulas up here. We don't live in Africa. Ah! You busted the steering column. If I can get up there. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Okay, what'd you do?
I'm up here. Let's just say this thing's a tree bulldozer.
Yeah, I saw that. It's actually on video, but what'd you do to your steering?
Come on up.
I'm good.
Hop over the log.
I'm good.
Ah, you pussy, come on.
Would you shut up? I'm recording.
Hey, at least now I can turn that way.
Now how are you gonna be able to get it out of here?
Help!
Guess who's stuck up here? This.
Oh God. I carried a tree about halfway down from up there.
I have a lot of color commentary on this.
Then I got a freaking bunch of burnouts right there from one tire, which I don't know why, but oh well.
Well, once again, people, I want you to give Dan a round of applause when you watch this video for breaking another track, for breaking this thing the second time around. Well, at least, you know, I wish I had a camera the day we were racing. When you slammed up against a ditch and you flew about 5 feet away from that thing. Busted up your arm pretty good.
Alright, let's see if I can get out of here. Okay, maybe not.
I got one of your trees. Holy shit! Dude, you're burning up the wood! You dummy! You're burning up the wood, do you smell that?
Yeah, that ain't going nowhere.
We're gonna just have to wait.
Fuck.
Well, here's the camera.
It's on fire.
The wood.
Oopsie.
Here's the camera. Here, you go film. I'm taking my tractor back down.
No, you're not. Your tractor's coming up there.
Funny.
Well, as I say, if I had paused, I'll probably be able to get out. See what I did? Yeah, kind of got stuck there for some reason. There's a tree, yeah, that really shouldn't be bent, but it's bent now. And there's a tractor. Okay, we're gonna go pull it out. Be back.